Downloading and signing in to the LG ThinQ app. If you are using LG Electronics products, download the ThinQ app and enjoy a wide array of features conveniently. Download the ThinQ app via App Store or Google Play, depending on your mobile device. If your mobile phone is not connected to a wireless router, data charges may apply, so please check before downloading it. Now let's find out how to sign in to the ThinQ app with an LG account. Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone. On the login page, touch Sign in with LG and select Create Account. Check off Terms of Use and Privacy Policy and click on OK. Enter the information needed to create a new account and click on OK. You will then receive a verification email via the address you entered. Open the email. Click on the Confirm button, and the registration process will then be completed. Open the ThinQ app again and sign in to the newly created account. Enter a username you want to use and touch the Done button. And that brings us to the end.